We cannot afford to look outside of ourselves for anyone to lead us, you see. Only your spirit, because we're all on a unique journey. We're moving out of the age of Pisces, going into the age of Aquarius, which is about I know. So we activate our energy according to our knowing, you see. Where Pisces was the age of I believe, you see, and this is where the religion came in at. And it's a water sign, and anytime we're dealing with a water sign, we're dealing with emotional issues. So this was mass manipulation, you see. That's how the religion got started, through mass manipulation of our emotions, see, where someone has defined our belief system for us, see, because they know we are the creators, and what we believe is what we create, see. So whoever defines what you believe defines what you create. So that's what the religion era was all about.
Maybe it's true. Maybe God threw the dice once too often. Maybe he let us all down.
And now it's time for us to go to the Aquarian age, where we go inside and find our own unique gifts. That's what Aquarius is about, uniqueness, you see. Finding our own unique gifts and bringing that to the table to make a whole. But only your spirit is going to be able to give you that guidance. You know, we may use common tools, but we each are on our own unique path. You see, so we have to be more tuned to our spirit than anything else, see, because it has a perspective that connects it to the universal whole. So it has a perspective that we can't see from our physical perspective, you see. So the more physical we became, the more we lost memory of these powers. But our spirit didn't, you know, and it moved forth from the deepest level of who we are to activate those things into creation, you see. And as we line up with our spirit, you know, we come back into the remembrance of that.
Why are you doing this to me?
To show you just how much you don't know. Open your eyes.